Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make like the background blurry but just only the background. So select your video and I'm just going to right click copy, right click paste, and then on the second video I'm just going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then on this video I'm going to go to effects, go to basic, and I'm going to add in the blurry filter, which is here, the effect. So as you can see, it's on top of the object, but you're just going to drag it below, like so. And that's it. You can adjust the blur here, as you can see. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!